Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make beading easier for a child who is having difficulty in understanding it. As we all know that beading is a basic fine motor activity. It can also be used to enhance bilateral coordination. Usually, the beading tools that we use in the therapy centers are horizontally spreaded. To do the task of the beading, a child has to pull the string down from the hole and then he has to put it down again from the next hole. To take out the string from the other end, the child either has to flip it or he has to bend downwards to see where the string is. Mostly autistic children with lack of attention span, compromised focus, and hyperactivity find it difficult to see that from where the string is coming and what they have to do to complete the task, so they simply get irritated. To save the child from irritation and to make the beading more effective and easier in the initial stages, the best technique is to not to use the horizontally spreaded beading tool but a vertically spreaded beading tool. As you can see, we have fixed this tool to stand vertically. Let it be aligned in the midline of the child. In this way, the child has to put the string from one end of the tool and he can easily see the string coming out from the other hand. The child is very easily and with full comfort is involving his both hands, thus enhancing the bilateral coordination. So he knows that the string is now in his right hand, so he will automatically put it in from the right side of the next hole and he can see very clearly the string coming out from the left side, and so using the other hand he will pull it out. Similarly, child will keep on doing that and keep on ascending through the holes. In this way, the beading become much easier, much less frustrating, and much more fun for the child. So today you noticed that how you can make the simple task beading even more simple for the child by using this simple technique. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any queries regarding fine motor activities, please write in the comments below.